Yugoslav government exert great effort to diminish rate of inflation. We succeeded up to now to diminish rate of growth of prices to the level of rate of growth of production, which is approximately about 7%, and to diminish rate of growth of retail prices too. However, we think that this rate of growth of prices is not satisfactory, and the Yugoslav government will continue with the efforts to diminish later on a rate of growth of prices.